Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to close a Monzo account. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. Before closing your account, you'll need to cancel any subscriptions you may be having, such as Premium, Extra, Perks, or Max subscription. Please take note that this can be done using the mobile version of your Monzo app. Also take note that you may be charged a cancellation fee for any of these. You can check on this by reading the terms and conditions of the subscription you may be on. If you have a fixed term pot, you will not be able to close your account until the pot matures. Now that these points have been considered, you'll need to open your app. Make sure to bring your account balance to zero. This includes withdrawing the balance of your pots. And then next, tap on your profile icon, and if needed, tap on the settings button. And then after seeing the close account option, tap on it to get started. Then follow on the on-screen instructions to finalize this process. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.